Go, Thomas! Choose a racer. Thomas. Choose a challenger. A new challenger appears. Thomas versus Diesel. Prepare your engines and get ready for the race. Welcome to the Funnel Tunnel. Ready? Tap, tap, tap on the green button to start up your engine. The other racer has taken the lead. Faster, faster. You're in the lead. The other racer has taken the lead. Quick! Tap the special boost button. Wow! You did it! Congratulations! You earned 2 golden cogs! Complete the cog wheel to upgrade this engine! Thomas versus James! Prepare your engines and get ready for the race! Welcome to the Funnel Tunnel! Ready? 3, 2, 1, go, go! You've taken the lead! Tap the special boost button. Winner! What an amazing race! Congratulations! You earned 2 golden cogs. That's it, a complete cog wheel. Time to upgrade this engine.